Hello everyone, I'm Joshua from China. Mm, I just want to take the video to introduce our hometown. In China, we know that we really have a lot of factories producing all kinds of machines, products, and we are very special town that we have almost over 200 factories in this area. And they are mostly basically related about plastic making machine, plastic packaging machine, something like the film blowing machine, printing machine, lamination machine, slitting machine, bag making, and pouch making machine. Yes, all the machines are related to the packaging, the film packaging. As we know, the packaging all over the world, it is very necessary for our life. Something like this, we can call that the coffee bag, something like this, the biscuit. I think everybody knows this, and something like that for the bread bags, and also for some like the t-shirt bag for the how to say, the shopping bag and the garbage bag, everything, and like the coffee bags, and for the cat food, dog food, and pet food. Yes, it's all around our lives. And how to produce all these product package, it started from the machine. So I in my following video I will introduce from one to one, from the very beginning to the end, to introduce the machines that we produce. Not selling the machines, but just I want to share that all the factories we have in our hometown. I'm quite familiar about each factory because I've been working in this area for more than 10 years. Yeah. When talking about the machine, we were first starting with the film blow machine. The film blow machine, there are two types. Basically the mono layer, the single layer, that is basically for the PE, like I said, this one, the PE, all kinds of a PE film, and also have the multi-layer, like the laminated, using for laminated printing and for the complicated material like this. So they will extruder or the film blowing the machine. After the extruder machine, then we go to the printing machine, because after the extruder, the machine, after film blowing, it's just transparent or just white or the single color, but you need to put all these beautiful colors and pictures on the film, right? So you needed a printing machine. Basically, we are focusing on the gravure printing machine, not the CI flexo, CI flexo, sorry. Yeah, the printing machine can be very fast. Right now, it's over at least 300 meters per minute. It's quite fast, and they have different colors, 10 colors, 11 colors, plus one, and yeah, all kinds. After slitting, we will go and lamination. Lamination means that they put two layer of different type of material into together. So as you may see, the bags, the outside it's like a kind of material. It's good for the printing, and inside it's the material, how to say, to seal the food and make it can be sealed, because all this kind can be like something PE, when heated it can be sealed, so it's a functional. So we needed to laminate the two different material into together. We call that lamination machine. Yes. So we also have a lot of lamination machine manufacturers here. After lamination, we can say that because the web width is quite, how to say, the width is quite large, to save the energy or to increase the efficiency. But after that, because the different repeated images printings, we need to slit it into a narrow one. So after that, because you see, this width is only this but the printing will be like different, like this. So we will slit it into this way. So we need a slitting machine to make it to a narrower film roller. And after the slitting, then we will go to the bag making and other machines. And after the bag making, then we get the small pouches. After small pouch, we put anything into the pouch and seal it. Then we got the product. So that's what we do. If any chance you need this kind of information, suppliers, I'm very glad to help. I'll just guide you to the factory by video and talk to the owner of the factory and talking about the technology, the production site, and their machines, their workers, and their workshops, their sites. Everything is available. So looking forward to see you again in my next videos. I will keep on updating my latest video about all kinds of machines. And I'm sorry, I'm local Chinese, so maybe my speaking or English can be a lot of mistakes. But yeah, hope you can forgive about this. See you later.